Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nargiza Ali Muhamedova. I am Associate Professor at Westminster International University in Tashkent, and also I am course leader of Master of Science in Research Method for Social Sciences. Master of Science in Research Method for Social Science is the first course in Uzbekistan that offers rigorous training suitable for PhD and professional qualification in research methods. The course is based on 3 pillars, offering all what you need package for PhD and research, including hard skills, soft and transferable, and applied practice. We offer rigorous training equally in quantitative, qualitative, and mixed research designs. This course is suitable for all students and professionals who want to do PhD in the future in the area of social science. The course also offers great opportunity for working professionals in the various industries who wish to upgrade their skills and qualifications based on research. The course structure is very balanced, and there are 9 modules offered in the course, including 5 core and 4 optional. As such, students have great opportunity to choose their own menu of modules to study. The student can also choose elective module from other postgraduate courses offered at the university, and thus they can amplify their area of specialization. Our teaching and learning methods are such that students are treated as our co-creators, which means that we do research projects together with students. Students apply to real research grants, we publish together with students, and they are co-authors.
Hello, I am Saida Akbarova, a senior lecturer and the module leader for developing research and academic writing. When you come to our module, so you will be prepared not only being as researchers, but also as academic writers. So we will ensure that you will be developing through the module all needed relevant skills, researching for publication. So we will be analyzing high impact factor journals. What are their requirements? How to be a successful and publish in one of those high impact factor journals? Because each researcher needs to publish his or her own research outputs. In the process of learning, so we will be doing lots of workshop style writing. So we will be going through the cycle of brainstorming, critical reading, analyzing, and you will be writing argumentatively, as well as preparing for yourself for publication, as well as for presentations in the conferences.
Hello, my name is Malika Khojaeva, and I'm a graduate of this master program in research methods, and I would like to share my experience about what I have learned in this program. First of all, I would like to tell that with the help of our professional teachers who are experts in their fields, with the publications in highly ranked journals, it was a really interesting pathway. And in addition, they helped us to get a detailed insights about how to do research in our real life. And this, the research methods and strategies that we have learned will be helpful not only in our work, but in our future, in our future PhD program. For example, if I'm willing to do a PhD program in future, I can publish my current work, and this really gives me a big opportunity and confidence. And that's why therefore I would like to say that I'm really proud to be and happy to be a part of this whole research methods program. So that's it. Thank you.
Master of Science in Research Methods also offers excellent opportunity for conducting PhD abroad. As such, all our students are entitled for home-based fee, discount rate, pursuing part-time PhD at University of Westminster upon completion of our course. And the special feature of the course is that we teach our students proper mentality and way of doing research. Publications is like an apple. Many researchers and students, they focus on publications only, which is different as investing in apple tree, which is the nice metaphor for research methods. Basically, research methods is a vital skill for lifelong education and professional development. Join our course now and invest in your future skills.